Yeah. For sure the guy's there. If he's there, I'll be like, sorry, I'm gonna say, sorry I yelled at you, but please respect my personal space. I don't know how to say that in Mandarin. Wait, is this it? I think this is it. I think I was hearing things, but it was coming from Fen. This is Longgang Station.
Longgang Station is a simple station, no staff here.
Ah, this is Longgang Station?
Yes, no staff.
Ah! Wow, okay.
Simple station.
It is simple station. We made it, I guess. Yeah, wow. Hi. Thank you so much for waiting. 谢谢你们。Thank you. 等我，谢谢。Thank you for waiting. Oh, wow. Wow. We did it. Okay. Let me give Teddy. Teddy, you know where I am, right? You can add into the map. Okay, well. We did it. Okay. Is there any place where I can sit down? 等一下一点, I'm gonna finish the stream and then take a picture with everyone. Okay. Okay. Over there? Oh, there's a chair. Okay, okay. What is that? Oh, okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Wow, a lot of people. Okay. Yo, okay, wait a second. Let me just sit down for a little bit. We did it. This is gonna be our safe spot. Literally in the middle of nowhere. Longgang. Da 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 da. Over there. Okay. Thank you. Be careful. Be careful. Wow. Woo! Safe spot. Oh, that road. Hi. Look at Hi. Kitty. That road was scary. That road that we had to walk to, that was a scary road. Oh my god. That's not zoo cage. Yeah, that was a scary road. How much did we walk today, chat? We walked 25 today. Right? 25 kilometer? And then we reached 400. Whew, okay, well. No, it's not zoo. 25. Wow. 진짜 많이도 걷는다. 25. You know what, chat? I am ending earlier than usual. Usually I end around like 10. Yesterday I think also I ended around 10, right? What time did I end? I think I ended around 10. Yeah, I did. Hi! Can my chat say hi? How? 的名字是什么？
布丁。
布丁啊。Hey. I wish my cat was this chill. Wow, thank you for waiting. Sorry. Okay, so I'm ending like 2 hours earlier than usual today. I'm gonna go back to hotel early and then I'm gonna like plan out details of the entire like routes that I have. And I'm gonna think about like total, how much total left. I'm gonna see. Yeah. And then tomorrow, hopefully, I fall asleep early today. And then tomorrow, hopefully, I will be able to start earlier, like 8. Yeah. But tomorrow is gonna be fun because there's gonna be a lot of pretty places that we're gonna go to. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for watching and supporting today. 谢谢你们的支持，谢谢你们看实况 Thank you. Thank you so much for coming along the adventure today as well. No day off. I am taking a day off when I arrive Taichung. You see, Taichung. I'm gonna take a day off when I arrive Taichung, which is like still probably 100 more kilometers to go. Maybe I'll take 2 days off once I arrive Taichung. We'll see, depending on my feet condition. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. That's dumb. Why? It's not dumb. I just want to take a day off in the city. Like, it's difficult to take a day off when there's like nothing around, because hotel that I got is also like, you know, I could barely find hotel around here. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you for everything. I'll see you guys tomorrow as well. Successful Waddlethon week 16, day 16. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in approximately around in 12 hours. Okay, thank you. Have a good rest of your days, guys. And see you next time. Bye bye, chat. Mods will change.